The Bafana Bafana vice-captain Percy Tau has urged his teammates to regroup and focus on their must-win Africa Cup of Nations Group E match against Namibia on Sunday. Bafana Bafana got their AFCON campaign off to a poor start after they lost a 2-0 to Mali in their opening match on Tuesday to sink to bottom of their group. They will need to beat Namibia, who will be coming into this match with their confidence high following their 1-0 victory over Tunisia also on Tuesday. Tau, who missed a penalty early in the first half, said that all is not lost with Namibia and Tunisia matches remaining and he is confident they can get 6 points. He said to the media, "We just have to regroup and go again against Namibia. We know it's going to be a difficult one again also, but then it just hurts right now. This is not the start we wanted. If we scored a goal, if we scored the penalty, it could have changed the game." The Al Ahly attacker also said that he took full responsibility after he skied the penalty, which would have given Bafana Bafana a lead before Mali scored twice in the second half through strikes from Hamari and Lesin Sinayogo. Bafana Bafana were in control in the first half at the Stade Amadou Kolibey in Koroko, but that miss proved to be a decisive moment. He said, "We missed it, so we prolonged the game. It hurts at the moment, still hurts. I will try and get it out because we still have 2 games to play and I will try and get the results. I'm confident we can progress even though it hurts right now. We should have scored the goal. I missed a penalty which gave them a confidence to keep going. If we scored a goal, it would be a better game and it will change the game entirely. But we still have 6 points to play for. We will give our best. We want to go through." Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.